Virgo, get ready for a life-changing night on February 28th. Virgos, the universe has something big in store for you. If you've been waiting for a financial breakthrough, February 28th is your night. 3 powerful lucky numbers, 7, 21, and 33, are aligning to bring you unexpected wealth, success, and prosperity. These numbers have a deep spiritual meaning and have guided many successful people toward their biggest financial wins. If you've been seeing them around, don't ignore the signs. This could be your moment to shine. Want to know how to use these lucky numbers to attract wealth? Stay with me until the end of this video. You don't want to miss this. Lucky number 7, the divine jackpot for Virgo on February 28th. Virgos, get ready. The universe is aligning something special just for you. If you've been hoping for a financial breakthrough, mark February 28th on your calendar, because this could be your lucky night. The number 7 is not just any number, it's a symbol of wisdom, luck, and divine intervention. It carries powerful vibrations that can open doors to wealth, success, and unexpected opportunities. If you've been feeling stuck, the energy of lucky number 7 could be the key to unlocking financial blessings. So, how can you use this magical number to your advantage? Let's dive in. Why is number 7 so lucky for Virgos? Throughout history, the number 7 has been associated with mystery, intuition, and good fortune. Think about it. There are 7 days in a week, 7 wonders of the world, and 7 chakras in the body. In many cultures, this number is believed to hold divine energy, leading to incredible luck for those who align with it. For Virgos, number 7 is extra powerful on February 28th because the universe is creating the perfect energy shift for financial success. This is your chance to manifest wealth, attract abundance, and step into a new phase of prosperity. Signs that number 7 is bringing you luck. The universe communicates in mysterious ways, and when number 7 is working in your favor, you'll start noticing signs. Look out for these clues. Check mark, seeing the number 7 repeatedly. This could be on receipts, street addresses, phone numbers, or timestamps like 707 or 7017. Hearing people mention 7 in conversations. If you keep overhearing this number randomly, pay attention. Dreaming of the number 7, dreams often reveal hidden messages from the universe. Feeling drawn to the number 7. If you have a sudden urge to pick something numbered 7, a seat, a lottery ticket, a house, trust your intuition. These are not coincidences. They are signs that the universe is sending financial blessings your way. How to use the power of 7 on February 28th. Now that you know 7 is your lucky number, how can you use it to attract money and success? Here are some ways to tap into its energy. Try your luck. Buy a lottery ticket or enter a contest that involves the number 7. Fortune favors the bold. Invest wisely. If an opportunity presents itself on February 28th and you feel the number 7 is connected, consider going for it. Visualize success. Spend a few minutes meditating on the number 7, imagining it surrounding you with positive energy and financial abundance. Carry the number 7 with you. Write it on a piece of paper and keep it in your wallet, pocket, or under your pillow to attract luck. Trust your intuition. If you feel an unexpected nudge to take action on something, don't hesitate. Number 7 is guiding you toward the right decision. Message for Virgos. Virgo, this is your moment. The stars have aligned, and February 28th could be the day that changes your financial future. Lucky number 7 is opening doors for you. Are you ready to step through? Claim your luck. Drop a 7 in the comments if you're ready to receive your financial blessings. Star. Lucky number 21. The fortune magnet for Virgo. on February 28th. Virgos, the universe has spoken, and February 28th is shaping up to be a life-changing night for you. If you've been searching for a sign to step into your financial power, lucky number 21 is your golden ticket. This number isn't just lucky, it's a magnet for wealth, success, and transformation. If you've been waiting for the right moment to take a financial risk or make a bold move, this is it. The energy of 21 is pushing you toward breakthroughs, unexpected gains, and major life upgrades. Get ready, Virgo. Your financial destiny is about to shift in an incredible way. The power of number 21 in wealth and success. Throughout history, 21 has been a symbol of financial success, growth, and abundance. Think about it. 21 is the age of adulthood in many cultures, marking a transition into greater independence and responsibility. In numerology, this number carries the energy of determination, progress, and prosperity. For Virgos, February 28th is the perfect time to harness the power of 21, as planetary alignments are creating a powerful gateway for financial success. If you've been contemplating an investment, a career move, or even testing your luck with a lottery ticket, this is your moment. Signs that number 21 is bringing you luck. When number 21 is working in your favor, you'll start seeing clear signs from the universe. Keep an eye out for seeing 21 repeatedly. You might notice it on receipts, billboards, timestamps, like 221 or 2121, or addresses. Feeling drawn to the number. If 21 keeps showing up in unexpected places, it's a signal to trust its power. Having dreams featuring the number 21. If you dream about this number, it's a sign that financial breakthroughs are coming. Hearing people mention 21 in conversation. The universe often speaks through others, so pay attention if you keep hearing this number randomly. Opportunities linked to 21. If an investment, job offer, or financial decision is connected to 21, don't ignore it. When you notice these signs, trust that the universe is guiding you toward financial success. How to use the power of 21 on February 28th. Now that you know 21 is your fortune magnet, it's time to tap into its energy and maximize your luck. Here's how. Play to win. If you've ever thought about playing the lottery, entering a raffle, or taking a chance, February 28th is the day to do it. Make smart financial moves. Whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or a business, use this day to take a step toward financial growth. Visualize abundance. Spend a few minutes meditating on the number 21. Imagine yourself attracting wealth and financial success effortlessly. Carry the number with you. Write 21 on a piece of paper and place it in your wallet, pocket, or under your pillow to attract its energy. Act on opportunities. If an unexpected financial opportunity appears on February 28th, say yes. Number 21 is clearing the path for you. Virgo, your fortune awaits. Virgo, your time is now. The universe is aligning in your favor, and lucky number 21 is here to bring you wealth and success. Will you step up and claim it? Drop a 21 in the comments if you're ready to receive your financial blessings on February 28th. Sparkles. Lucky number 33, the master manifestation code for Virgo on February 28th. Virgos, get ready to step into the energy of wealth, success, and divine manifestation. The universe has singled you out for something truly extraordinary on February 28th. A financial breakthrough unlike anything you've experienced before. At the heart of this cosmic shift is lucky number 33, a master number vibrating at an incredibly high frequency. This number is a magnet for prosperity, balance, and creativity, and it has been linked to major success stories throughout history. If you've been seeing 33 or feeling drawn to it lately, consider it a powerful sign that financial rewards are on the way. This is your moment, Virgo. Are you ready to claim it? The power of Master number 33 in manifesting wealth. Number 33 is one of the most powerful numbers in numerology, often called the Master Teacher. It represents creativity and innovation, unlocking new ideas that lead to wealth, spiritual and material balance, aligning your mind, soul, and finances, manifestation energy, attracting opportunities effortlessly, unexpected financial rewards, money coming from surprising sources. For centuries, many of the world's most successful people have encountered the number 33 before achieving major breakthroughs. Whether in business, investments, or creative pursuits, this number carries the energy of massive success and prosperity. And on February 28th, the alignment of cosmic forces is supercharging the power of 33 for Virgos. This means the universe is sending you opportunities. You just need to be open and ready to receive them. Signs that number 33 is guiding you toward wealth. The universe communicates in mysterious ways. If number 33 is working in your favor, you'll start seeing 33 everywhere, on receipts, addresses, timestamps, like 333 or 3300, or even social media posts. Repeating patterns of threes. If threes keep showing up in your life, it's a sign that financial abundance is near. Feeling an inner urge to take action, you might suddenly feel inspired to start a new business, invest in something, or take a financial risk. Receiving unexpected financial opportunities. If a new job, business deal, or lucky break appears, don't ignore it. Dreaming about 33 or hearing it in conversations. If the number 33 keeps appearing in your dreams or conversations, it's a confirmation from the universe. If any of these signs resonate with you, take it as a direct message from the universe. Wealth is on its way. How to use the power of 33 on February 28th for massive financial success. Virgos, your lucky moment is here. If you've been waiting for a sign to take a bold step toward financial success, Master number 33 is guiding you toward wealth and prosperity. February 28th is a powerful day when the energy of 33 will be at its peak, creating life-changing opportunities for you. The number 33 is known as the Master Manifestation Code, a symbol of abundance, creativity, and unexpected financial rewards. Many successful people have experienced breakthroughs after encountering this number, and now it's your turn. But how do you use this powerful number to attract wealth, success, and good fortune on February 28th? Follow these steps and watch the magic unfold. 1. Trust your instincts. Say yes to opportunities. If an unexpected financial opportunity presents itself, whether it's an investment, a business deal, or even a gut feeling to take action, don't hesitate. Master number 33 supports those who trust their intuition and step into success with confidence. This is not the time for doubt or fear. If something feels right, go for it. You're being guided toward financial growth, and saying yes could lead to massive rewards. 2. Play your luck. Let the energy of 33 work for you. Number 33 is a magnet for financial blessings, so why not test your luck? Whether it's a lottery ticket, a lucky draw, or an investment, let the power of 33 guide your decisions. If you see the number 33 somewhere, on a receipt, a phone number, or even a street sign, take it as a sign to take action. Consider picking 33 as part of your lucky numbers in games of chance. Take note of where 33 appears in your life. It could be pointing you toward an unexpected financial windfall. 3. Manifest abundance. Visualize success. Wealth starts in the mind before it appears in reality. On February 28th, spend a few minutes visualizing yourself surrounded by abundance. Imagine money, success, and financial freedom flowing effortlessly into your life. Close your eyes and picture yourself receiving unexpected financial blessings. Feel the excitement and gratitude as if it has already happened. Speak affirmations like, "I am aligned with wealth and prosperity. The universe is bringing financial success into my life now." The power of Master number 33 amplifies manifestation, making it the perfect time to focus on your financial dreams. 4. Write it down. Align yourself with 33's energy. Writing things down has incredible power, and when you write 33, you connect with its high-frequency energy. Here's how to use this technique. Write the number 33 on a piece of paper and keep it in your wallet or purse. Place it under your pillow before you sleep to absorb its energy overnight. Jot it down on your vision board along with financial goals you want to achieve. This simple action helps attract wealth and abundance into your life. 5. Take bold action. Step into financial success with confidence. Master. Number 33 rewards those who take decisive action. If you've been thinking about starting a new business, investing in something meaningful, making a bold financial move, February 28th is the perfect time to do it. Trust that the energy of 33 is guiding you toward the right path. Virgo, are you ready to claim your financial breakthrough? The universe has spoken. February 28th is your night to shine. Master number 33 is sending you powerful vibrations of success, abundance, and wealth. But it's up to you to claim it. Drop a 33 in the comments if you're ready to receive your financial blessings. The universe has set the stage for your financial breakthrough on February 28th. With the powerful energy of lucky number 33, you are being guided toward wealth, success, and unexpected